Welcome to Mud Learning, where we memorize, understand, and do.
Hi, friends. I'm Zebra Zach. My name starts with the letter Z, and I say zzz, zzz, zzz. I love toys, but you know what's even more fun than playing with toys? Sharing them with friends. Today, we'll learn all about toys, sharing, and using our best manners. Are you ready? Let's go. Look at all these fun toys. I have blocks to build towers, a ball to bounce or throw, Play-Doh to squish and shape, a puzzle to solve, and even a beautiful doll to dress up. What's your favorite toy? Toys are amazing, but do you know what makes playtime even better? Friends. Meet my buddy Max. Max loves toys too. Let's see how we can play and share together. Uh-oh, I want to play with the ball, but Max has it. What should we do? Let's see what happens if we don't share.
It's mine.
That didn't feel good, did it? How do you think I feel? Sharing is caring. Let's try again the polite way.
Here, Zach. You can play with the ball when I'm done.
Thanks, Max. Wow, see how much better it feels to share? Being polite and taking turns makes everyone happy. Here are some magic words that make sharing and playing fun. Let's practice together. Please. Thank you. Can I have a turn? Would you like to play with me? Now let's play a sharing game. I'll play with the ball and you pretend to play with the puzzle. Oh no, I want to solve the puzzle too. What should I do? Yes, I can ask. Can I help with the puzzle, please? Now it's your turn. Pretend to ask a friend to share their toys. Great job! You're amazing at sharing. Let's try it with Play-Doh. Imagine Max is making a shape. What polite words would you use to ask for a turn? Right, you can say, "Can I have a turn with the Play-Doh, please?" Sharing and taking turns make playtime so much fun. Now it's time for a song. Sing and clap along with me.
Toys are fun when we play all day, but they're even better when we share and say, "Here you go, and let's take turns." Sharing with friends is what we learn. Share with me, play together happily. It's kind and fair. Let's show the world we care. Blocks to build or cars to race. Sharing brings a smile to every face. Say please and thanks, they're magic words. Politeness spreads like singing birds. Share with me, play together happily. It's kind and fair. Let's show the world we care. Blocks to build or cars to race. Sharing brings a smile to every face. Say please and thanks, they're magic words. Politeness spreads like singing birds. Share with me, play together happily. It's kind and fair. Let's show the world we care.
Wow, friends! Today we learned all about toys, sharing, and being polite. We also explored so many fun toys like puzzles, Play-Doh, dolls, and balls. Remember, sharing makes playtime more fun, and being kind makes everyone smile. You're all superstars. Until next time, keep sharing, keep smiling, and keep being amazing.
Please remember to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends.